Hello everyone, this is Coder and welcome to my channel. So in this video we're gonna learn some of the basic HTML tags. So here is the output. After this video you can make something like this. So you can see there is the heading of the website, there is a paragraph, so these all are tags. There is the image tag, this is an image, my beautiful profile picture, and it's a link. This link actually directs us to my Instagram account. You can see follow me on Instagram. If I press there, it will directly derive me to my Instagram. Yeah, this is my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me, Coder. So this is the code of this website. Okay, so you're gonna make all of this all together from step by step. So let's start. First we have to learn these tags from here to here. Honestly speaking, in my entire programming career, I haven't write this thing by myself, because nowadays code editors are very smart. There are so many autocomplete, and one of them is Emmet. So if you are installing VS Code, then Emmet will be by default installed. So I'm gonna walk you through how to use Emmet, don't worry. And if you're using some other text editor like Atom or whatever, there is an extension called Emmet. Just Google it, how to install Emmet in your text editor, and you can install it. But if you are planning to be a web developer, I'm highly recommending you use the VS Code, because nowadays it is the most popular one and is the most on demand. So but I just want to walk you through these codes so that you won't be confused. Okay, let's talk about this first guy, doc type HTML. What is doc type HTML? As you can see, this is our HTML of website. Okay, and this is called HTML document, because every HTML actually behind the scene a document, because this is a file called index.html. So let me show you the file. If I open the folder, wait, okay, so this is the file index.html. so HTML is the extension, as you can see. So under the hood, when the Google browser or any kind of browser decipher the code of a file, this is a document file. So this doc type actually saying the browser that hey, this is a document type of HTML5, because there are so many HTML version like HTML4, 3, whatever, and every HTML type or HTML version have their own identifier to say the browser that this is HTML version this. So doc type is one of the identifier to, actually not one of the, it's the only identifier to say the browser that it is HTML5. And honestly nowadays most of the browsers are very smart. They could easily understand that which code is it HTML5 or 4, whatever. But it's a good practice, because maybe some ancient browser like Internet Explorer I still don't have some issue with HTML compatibility. So make sure you will include this called doc type. Okay, then the HTML tag started, and as you can see, every element is inside this HTML tag, right? Because as I mentioned in my previous video, this is a child-parent relationship. So everything you can see or you can't see in the entire website is inside the HTML tag. Okay, so there is some information. As you can see, this HTML tag have lang, is self-explanatory. Lang means language, and here is en, English. It's a it is saying the website that this is an English website or whatever. Okay, and you can change the language if you want, but English is the standard, so you should use this. And then the head tag started. So what is the head tag? These are inside the head tag. So what is the head tag? Is something that describe the title, like document. Okay, something that describe what is this website. For example, let me give an example, then it will be easy. In head tag there is something called title, as I'm saying, title tag. So this is a direct child of head tag. It actually say the browser what will be the title. Like here it is document, you can see. So if I want to change it, what I can do, I will go to the document part and I will say, for example, HTML tutorial. Okay, save this and go, and you can see the title HTML tutorial has been changed, because this is the HTML title tag. So the head tag contains those information about the website. Okay, so this title is a part of the website, so this is called a title tag. And also you can see some other tag inside the head tag, like the meta tags. So these are making the website more flexible and more accessible, and also setting the keywords of the website. For example, you can see the first meta tag is calling the chart set or card set, whatever you want to say, UTF-8. So there are different type of character set in the technical world or in the programming world, and UTF-8 is the most popular, as far as I know, most popular character set. So it is saying the browser that, hey, these websites are using UTF-8 character set, so show all the content based on that. There is nothing really fancy here. And there is something other called a Metadata Viewport. So what Viewport does, it actually make the website as accessible with different devices. Like it will add some flexibility or responsiveness in different devices. Okay, so these are the head tag, or inside the HTML tag, this is the head tag. You don't want to mess with this, okay, but you just have to keep it there to make your website more compatible, make your website more accessible. Okay, so now come to the real gold, and that is called body tag. And now we're gonna start learning these tags, which are really important, and we have to be master at it to develop our website. So before that, I'm gonna delete all of these, and I'm gonna show you how to throw a boilerplate using called Emmet, so that you don't have to write this thing. Okay, it will be automatically written for you. So I'll delete all of the code, and what you can do in VS Code, and not only VS Code, in any editor you installed Emmet, you can write this exclamation and then press tab. Look, everything got a set for you by Emmet itself. All the heading tag, like meta tags, and also the title tag, everything by default set for you. So now what we can do, let me first change our title, HTML tutorial, save, go back, you can see nothing is there. Oh, by the way, I'm using an extension called live server. I think you guys know. So let me show you. So what live server do, it will automatically reload your HTML page in browser when you will save it. Okay, so in my setup video I show you how to install live server. So if you haven't seen it, I will give a link, so you just check it out. So what I'll do, I'll go to open with live server, and this HTML video page will be loaded in my browser. And as you can see, here is the title, HTML tutorial. By the way, let me close another tab. Yep, so HTML tutorial, this is done by this title tag. Okay, so now we're going to talk about this important tag that is called body. So what body does, whatever you will write inside this body tag will be shown in the browser. So let me write anything. For example, if I'll write hello there, I am Sonnet the coder. Okay, save it, go there, and you can see in the body, hello there, I am Sonnet the coder. As you can see that whatever I wrote inside the body tag will be shown in the website itself. Okay, so from now our coding will be only inside body tag, nothing else. So let's learn the first tag, and that is called heading tag. Not this head tag. When I started my HTML coding, it was I just forgot, and I just mismatched between head tag and heading tag. Head tag is just this, the header or the header of the website that contains the title, the meta tag. But the heading tag, or H1, H2, H3, this kind of tag is inside the body tag that actually say the browser that how the text will look like inside the website. So let me give an example. For example, I wanna write my name, and also it will be in bold. So I'll write H1 tag and Sonnet. Okay, save, go there, and you can see this is my name, Sonnet, and it is in a bold and a bit larger, right? Because, and also a bit bold, because this is done by a tag called H1 tag, and H1 is a heading tag, and there are 6 versions of the H1 tag. Okay, so let me show you. The first one is H1, this is the biggest one, and the second one is H2, Sonnet. Let me write. The third one is H3, Sonnet. The fourth one is H4. Yeah, it is very intuitive. The 5th one is H5, Sonnet, and the 6th one obviously H6. Save there, go there. As you can see, from H1 to H6, these all are the heading tag. So the size actually decrease because the number decreases, as you can see. But one thing is very common, that is all the tags are quite bold, right? These are bold because by default H1 tag is a bold tag. So this is called H1 or heading tag. Very easy, nothing to say. So what I'll do, I will just keep H1 and the other one I will delete. Okay, so after H1 tag we should learn something called paragraph tag. As the name mentioned, it is a P tag. P means paragraph. So whatever you will write here will be paragraph in the website. Okay, so let me write something. Hello there, welcome to my channel, Sonnet the coder. Yeah, hello there, welcome to my channel, Sonnet the coder. If I go there, as you can see, this is the paragraph. Hello there, welcome to my channel, Sonnet the coder. So this P tag is saying the browser that hey Google or hey Firefox, whatever, show the user a paragraph. So you can clearly see the difference between the heading h1 tag and the p tag. The h1 tag is bold, it is large, but the p tag is not bold and it is a normal size, it's not large. So if I come back there and if I say that is there anything like p1, p2, p3, p4, no, there's only one, that is p tag. Okay, so let's move the next tag, and that is called image tag or img. So if you wanna add some image in your website, then you have to use image tag. So let me show you. So to add image tag, what you can do, you can say img image. In image tag there's two attributes. One is called src source and one is called alt or alternative. So what it means, in image tag, in the src source file, you will have to give the source of the image. So here is one thing. There are mainly two kind of source. One is source of network, and the other is local source. It means, for example, you have an image and the image is inside your computer. It means it is locally in your PC or in your computer. On the other hand, you have another image that is not local in your computer, that is somewhere else, maybe in Google or whatever. It is not in your computer, maybe in another server, or you pick the image from the Google image and give a link, copy the link from there. So you can also give the link here, and also you can give the path of your image inside your local PC computer. So if you give the path of a network path, it will go to that link and load the image for you. And if you give the local image file, it will go to your computer and load the image from there. So I have an image, as you can see, there is an image called sonetacoder.jpg, and I want to put this local image. It is in my computer in this folder. I want to put this image in my website. So what we can do, we can actually write the path. So where is the image actually located? The image is in the same path, okay, in the same folder of where the index.html file is located. So what we can do now, we can say / the image name, that is sonetthecoder.jpg. okay, and if I go there, that is our image. So why we press the /? Okay, / this pathing system is a Unix based pathing system. By the way, is it called pathing system? I don't know. It means the way the directory location is shown on the path of the directory. Okay, it is called it is the / pathing system. And if you are in Windows and if you go to your command prompt, is it called command prompt? I don't know. I hate Windows. Sorry for the Windows lover, but when you will go your Windows 10 and you will open up your command shell or PowerShell, you can see the pathing system is different. The pathing system will be like this: C dot / whatever. So they are using this / in Windows 10, but most of the world, the server, everywhere, Linux or Unix is the boss. Okay, so that's why in the programming world the pathing system is based on Linux pathing system. So here, as you can see, I just use /. Dot means this folder. Okay, this is means this folder / my image name sonetdecoder.jpg. Okay, this is the path of the picture, and it is showing me this thing, I mean the picture in the website. So this is the source, and what is the ALTR alternative? Okay, this is for the accessibility purpose and some failure purpose. Let me say what I mean. In this ALT field, what you will write will be displayed if the image can be loaded. Okay, so let me give an example. So if I say this is a image, okay, and you can see nothing is there because the image can be loaded successfully, so the alt tag won't shown. But if I do something wrong, like let me rename it, I just add a K here. Okay, just give a false name that this image is not located there. Then you can see the alt tag will be there. This is the image. You can see this alternative text will be shown. Okay, you can see the alt tag I wrote, this is an image, so this text will be shown if the image can be loaded. That is the first thing. But if I give it a real name, the image is loaded here successfully. Okay, so that's the alt tag, and there is another reason using the alt tag, that is for accessibility. Nowadays, you know, if the physically, or if the people who have eye problem, they can't see or read the website, they use something called TTS, text to speech engine. The engine is actually read out what is in the website. I mean, they actually read out the content what is in the website. So when they actually touch on the image tag, they don't know is it an image or not because they can't see it. So when they will touch the image tag, it will read the alt tag, so it will say this is an image. Okay, so you can write whatever you wanna write here, like this is a profile image, or this is blah blah blah. Whatever you wanna write in the alt tag will be shown if the image can be loaded, and also will be read in the text to speech engine for the accessibility. So that is called image tag. Okay, now we're gonna learn the network path. It means this is Sonnet decoder. This image is located inside my local path, okay, my device, so that's why I can refer it. What if you wanna write, or if you wanna add an image that is not in your PC or in your computer, but somewhere else in the internet? So let me show you. If I go to Google image, I will search by my name. Okay, let's see, Sonnet coder. Oh yeah, so many things I have. Oh, my profile picture has came, as you can see, Sonnet coder YouTube profile picture. So I wanna load this image in my website. How I can do this? Okay, you have to just copy the link, and I will go to image. Okay, I will just comment out this. Oh, by the way, I just forgot to mention the commenting thing. Let me quickly walk you through the comment thing, and then I will show the network image. The comment is like this. The comment is something that is being ignored by the compiler or by the browser. It means when you will comment something, then the browser will ignore the code. So how to write a comment? It is very simple. First of all, what you will do, sorry, you will go give a third bracket, go a exclamation, and then minus. Okay, and my autocomplete engine is auto-completing it, and then also minus third bracket, and write whatever you want to write inside this. It will be commented. Oh, by the way, you can see there is a, a beautiful color in my case, like yellow color. In your case, it won't be this colorful. I am using an extension called Better Comment. So if you want me make a video about Better Comment and how to set up beta comment like this. Let me know by the YouTube comment so I can make a video about beta comment. Okay, so that's the comment thing. But in real life you don't have to do this kind of stuff. Just go to which line you wanna do comment out, put your cursor over there and just press Ctrl plus / it will comment it, and press Ctrl plus / again, it will be uncommenting it. This is the big keyboard shortcut of VS Code, and I use all the time, and it works for every programming language, and you don't have to remember how to comment in different programming languages, because when you press Ctrl plus / it will be commented that thing according to the rule of that programming language. So we're using HTML, and HTML commenting is really tough. You can see, I mean, it's like the squeeze bracket, sorry, the third bracket, the slash, I mean the exclamation, the double minus, I mean it's a mess. Other programming languages using really easy commenting system. So okay, that is the comment. I think I'm clear. And now we're gonna try the image which will be used, the network image. As you can see, there is no image because it's a comment. And now I'll write img, and in the alternative tag I will say this is a net image. Okay, this is a network image. I will go to the source attribute, and now I will paste the link. If I go there, here is our image. Yeah, I know it's a huge image. It doesn't matter, our image is here. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the next tag, but before that I will comment out this because it's a huge image, and I will uncomment this. Okay, yeah, now our cute image is there, and this is the image tag. And now we're gonna move on to our next tag, and that is called link tag. And link is called, it's called a tag. In this a tag you can see there is also an attribute called href. So what is href? Href is hyperreference or the link. So in the a tag you will put a link here. Okay, so let me give a link. For example, https://www.instagram.com/sonnet the coder. This is my Instagram link. I just put in there, and in this, beside the anchor tag, I mean in the child of anchor tag, you should write whatever it will be shown in the website. For example, here you can see there is no link there, right? But we already added the anchor tag. So where is the link? There is no link. So what we can do, we can write here like follow me in Instagram, follow me in Instagram. If I write there, you can see there is the a tag, follow me in Instagram. This code is there. But if I remove this follow me in Instagram text, let me remove it and go there, then you can see nothing is there. So that's the thing. So what we have to do, okay, I just undo the changes, and you can see follow me in Instagram. Okay, so if I press it, as you can see, the link derived me to the Instagram itself. My account Sonnet the coder. Don't forget to follow me there. Okay, but one thing is bad. The thing is, as you can see, when the link derive me to the Instagram page, there is no option for me to go back to my previous website. So you won't do this, right? I mean, you don't wanna make your user leave your website completely and there is no way to go back your website. So what we can do to prevent this, we can add an attribute called target. Okay, and what it will do, it will open the link in a new tab. So if the user want, they can easily navigate to the previous tab. So in this link we can add a new attribute called target. So after the href, this href, I will write target, and this target will say what will happen when the user will press the link. I will say blank. It means open the new link in a new blank tab. So, and now look at it. This is HTML 02 hero, my website. Let me close the other tabs, not tag. It will be easy for you. This is my website and we have only one tab, that is HTML 02 hero. Now if I go and press follow me on Instagram, it will also derive me to the Instagram itself. But look, now it opens in a new tab. So if user wants, they can easily press this tab and they can get here, also press the Instagram tab and they can go to the Instagram. So all time make sure you'll use this blank as a target of your attribute tag. Okay, you can see the image tag and the link tag are aligned in the same line. Why is that? Like h1 tag have their own line, then paragraph tag has its own line, image has its own line, but what happened to the link tag or the anchor tag? Okay, the thing is, there are two kinds of tag. One is called block tag and one is called inline tag. So what is block tag? Like this thing, like the h1 tag or the p tag. These are the block tag. It means when it will show on the website, it will works like a block. So it will take the entire line. It means the entire screen. Just follow my mouse. The entire screen of the content. So when a next thing will be appear, it will be below the line, not in line. Like you can see this sonnet, this is an h1 tag. After that, below the line is the paragraph tag. So the h1 tag is getting the full length or full line. It means the full block. Okay, and the p tag also getting the full paragraph. It means the full block, and this is called the block tag. And some tags are the inline tag. For example, this link tag, this is an inline tag. It will be inlined with another tag. Like image is taking a place and beside image the anchor tag is placed. So this is called inline tag. They will be inlined from each other in a same line. They will share the same block. As you can see, image have this block. Just follow my cursor, and the link tag is aligned at the same block as image do, because the link is an inline tag. Okay, so what we can do to give a break between this image and this link tag, it's very easy. We can add a block tag between these. Like there is a tag called BR or break. Okay, it's a self-closing tag, as you can see. So if I press right block or BR break, then you can see the link is now below. There is a block tag between this called BR, or we can write another tag that is called HR, horizontal line. You can see there is a horizontal line between image tag and our link tag. So before I stop this video, one thing I want to say, that is, some tags are self-closing tag and some tags are not self-closing. For example, BR tag, as you can see, there is no /BR. Okay, the editor is still giving me autocomplete. So as you can see, this is HR tag, self-closing, but if you see the P tag, this is not self-closing, right? Also look at the image tag. The image tag is also self-closing. As you can see, this image, it is also self-closing. Self-closing means there is no /image again. This kind of tag actually closed by just a slash and the third bracket. Look at the P tag, it's not self-closing because the P tag has another /P tag, /P, but there is no /image or img, right? Because these are the self-closing tag. One rules of thumbs is you don't have to memorize which are the self-closing or not, because mostly nowadays the editor will be autocomplete for you. Okay, you don't have to remember, but it's a good thing is those tag who actually have or can be some content between the closing tags, between the tag and the closing tags, they will be not self-closing, and those tag who don't have any content except the attributes are the self-closing. Okay, for example, if you look at the P tag, we have contents between two tags, so these are not self-closing. H1 tag, we have contents there. The anchor tag, we have contents between A tags, right? Like this is the anchor tag, and between the anchor tag we have, right, this follow me on Instagram. So that's why this is not self-closing, because if it would be the self-closing, then how you will put the content inside it. And the attribute, for example, in image tag, in the case of image tag, you don't have to write something between the image tag as the content. You have attributes like src or the alt, but there is nothing between opening and closing tag in the image tag. That's why we don't have to use the opening and closing tag in the image tag. It doesn't mean you can't use it. If you want, you can use it. It is not forbidden. Okay, it won't show you any error, but it's a good practice. It's a well standard. So try to use the self-closing tag for image HRBR who doesn't need any content between the opening and the closing tag. But those tag like P tag, H1 tag, they have contents between the opening and the closing tag. So what is the opening tag? This is the H1, this is the opening tag, as you can see, and this is the closing tag /H1. So between these, if there are any content, make sure remember it won't be self-closing tag. So okay, I wanna show you the real project is there, as you can see, right? And now what we'll do, we'll sum up the entire tutorial, but before that let's remove this comment. It doesn't look good, right? Okay, so in short, we have documents and these head tag, meta tag, title tag. Don't mess up with this, because this will add some compatibility and accessibility in your website. And nowadays, as you can see, it will be you can easily do it by autocomplete. That's right, the exclamation tab and press tab, it will be automatically give you a boilerplate. So you can just change one thing, that is called title. Okay, this title, because this title will be shown in the title bar of the website, as you can see, HTML 0 to hero. And then go to the body tag. Whatever you will write inside the body tag will be shown in the website itself. So we learned the h1 tag is the heading tag, and there are 6 kind of h1 to h6, and all of them actually decrease size. h1 is the largest, h6 is the smallest. And then we have p tag, or it show the paragraph in the website. And then we have img tag or image tag. It will show the image or load the image inside the website. And there are 2 kind of source. One is called local source and other one is called network source. And then we have the anchor tag or the link tag, where you can link out your website with some other website. And then the body tag. So this is the entire, I actually covered up most of the basic tags you need to be a HTML developer. So in the next video, what we'll do, we'll learn some more tags, some advanced tag, so that you will know everything you have to know about the HTML. So now what you have to do, you have to go my Instagram, or your Instagram, not mine. You have to go Instagram and then go to post. Go to post and post something like, hey there, this is my code. You have to code something like this, or make whatever website you want to make, like a basic website like this, and take a screenshot and share me in Instagram. And don't forget to just mention me as Sonnet Coder, so that I can see your post. And what I will do, I will feature the best code, the best website in my next video. Okay, so if you wanna be there, very simple, go to Instagram. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Just follow me and also share your code with me by screenshot, or whatever you wanna do by sharing the code if you want, and I will check out and feature you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.